Alright, unboxing video. This is from John Tuttle. Kosher salt stuffings. Some the markets. Some paper towels. Oh, here's the good stuff. Keep this stuff. There's one. Nice preform. Another one. I think he said there's about 129 inches of preforms here. Another one. Another one. Looks like a broke piece. Just gotta zigzag that edge and get a point out of it. Let's see, I'll put it over here. There's a little guy, arrowhead size. Another one. Another one. Three more. That one's cool. Got a couple different big colors in it. It's a broke-eared outfit. Looks like a coral, I think. This one looks like Georgetown or Edwards of some kind. Obsidian. Maybe a hornstone or something. Nice thin one there. That one's cool. So it might be, not sure what that is. Kind of see-through a little bit. Couple loose ones in the corner over here. Obsidian. That one looks like a triple flow or a banded smoky or something. Another loose one here. piece. Slick. Must have been a slab. It's got a cut on it. Nice big fella. Another one of them obsidians. Another slabbed outfit. Pretty nice. Not much work left on that one. This is kind of different. Very nice one. That banded obsidian looks like midnight lace. Very nice one. The obsidian. Another obsidian. There's the knife river. Nice. Nice big point. I think this one might be root beer or maybe knife river. Can't tell. Looks like maybe a flint ridge or something. Q Cook. This must have been a slab preform. This might be either Edwards or Georgetown or something. Another obsidian. Another obsidian. 3 obsidian ones. There's a good one. Two of them same size, different materials. Looks like about it. Well, there you go. Some good bifaces and preforms by John Tuttle. These might both be Knife River, but I can't tell on this one. This one for sure is Knife River. I know that rock has that cattails or whatever you call it in there. But this one might be a root beer. A little bit different. Alright, thanks a lot, John. Hope you have a blessed day. Very warm today, 59 degrees. A little bit windy, 14 miles an hour, but enough to get outside and move around anyway. So, alright.